Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladly Tech. Today we'll be talking about how to change font on TikTok. Please watch this video to the very end to get all the full details that you need. So this is what we are going to do. I need this username. Copy it. Let me see. Okay. When you copy it, you use any of your search engine. I'll be using Chrome for this. So I've done it before. But let me teach you. So now you paste. So now you see the different names that came out. I think I like this one. So what I do is I will copy it. So when I copy it, I'll go out from my Chrome, then go to my TikTok. Tap on it, then tap on edit profile, tap on username, then look at it. I can just write what, then delete the one that I want to delete. So guys, that is it on how to change fonts on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to leave all your comments at the comment section. Remember, this is what it says you can change your username once every 30 days. So once every 30 days, I can easily change my username. Thanks for watching. Bye.